Good evening. It is TackleBuryBedBug's Truck Driver Stories, episode 2. I've been in the truck for about 4 or 5 days. I just got out. I just want to tell y'all something. If you truckers watching this, or if you know somebody that drive trucks, let them know this. Wiping your private parts with rubbing alcohol and baby wipes does not substitute for a damn shower. Wash your ass. There's no substitution for washing your ass. Church. Baby wipes, rubbing alcohol will not do it. You are dirty. And then you go home and lay with your girl or lay with your man. You're nasty! That concludes today TackleBuryBedBug's Truck Driver Chronicles. Have a blessed day. Thank you.